Hi, I'm Miss Visser and I teach 7th grade American history at Westwood. If my face doesn't look too familiar, don't worry, I've been teaching EFL this year, so I haven't been in the building too much. I am here to share with you some details about the optional field trip that we take to Washington, D.C. every couple of years. And your opportunity to go on this trip will be May 11th through the 14th of 2022. The reason that we introduced this field trip so far out is that it's expensive and we want to set up a time for you guys to spread out payments or look at fundraising or financial assistance so that this is possible if that's something your family decides to do. As far as what we see when we go to DC, we see a lot of the stuff that we covered in American history class. We go to the Smithsonian's, we see the war memorials, we go see important key people in United States history. This is Mount Vernon, which was George Washington's home. When you decide to go on this trip, the price that you pay covers everything. So once you get on that flight, you're not going to need any additional money at all for this trip. It includes flight, your hotel, all your meals, transportation in a coach bus with a personalized bus driver just for us, as well as a course leader who is an expert on the history that we are visiting and shares great stories and details with us. It includes any admission fees to any place that we go that has that, as well as a variety of other things. If this is something that interests you and you would like some further information, the next steps that you should complete are there's a website that I'm just going to show you in just a minute that you can go look over and show your parents to. If they have further questions, I'm going to hold a parent meeting on May 13th at 6 o'clock via my personal WebEx. Now, even though you don't recognize my face, there's many people at Westwood that have gone on this trip before and they're listed down below. Mr. Clark, Mr. Cox, Ms. Enstead, Ms. Cryer, Ms. Nimlas, and Mr. Schneider. And I'm sure they would gladly share details about the trip, and I'm sure Mr. Clark has a few photos that he would show you as well. So feel free to ask them questions as well about this trip. This is the website that was created for Westwood's Middle School's trip to Washington, D.C. It starts out with showing you how to register if you decide that this is a trip that you would like to go on, or maybe you've had another family member or friend that has gone and that's something that's already been able to decide as a family. If not, it once again goes over dates of the trip, price of the trip, what is included in the trip, as well as my email. So if you have further questions, feel free to email me. If you scroll down further, you're going to be able to watch a short video that talks about some other things that I have not mentioned that we will be able to see when we go to DC, including the Library of Congress, Capitol Hill, where the Senate and House meet to pass laws and make hopefully very well-informed decisions for our country. We will also see the Jefferson Memorial, the Lincoln Memorial. I've mentioned Martin Luther King and Mount Vernon. It then goes on to talk about how we are going to look out for the safety of your student while we are in DC, and then ends up with some tools to help pay for the trip, including financial assistance, ways that you can fundraise as a family, and payment plans that can be set up. In order to find this website, I'm going to have this page right here shared with you, and this is the link to the website right here, and this is the link for my WebEx for the parent meeting. As always, feel free to reach out to your teachers and ask questions or send me either a Schoology message or an email. I look forward to meeting some of you next year before our trip to DC.